How to set up subscriptions on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. Then simply tap on your profile at the very right side of the screen and then tap on the TikTok Studio option over here at the center of the screen. As you tap on TikTok Studio, it will land us to a new page where you can see there are different options over here. So if you want to simply set up subscriptions over here, scroll down and here you can see the option of subscription under monetization. So tap on subscription option over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see a new page where you can see how you can get subscribed to or how you can be subscribed over here in order to start monetizing as well. So there are certain eligibility criteria that you must fulfill in order to be subscribed or in order to get the subscription over here. So you can just wait for a while until it loads the page where you can see the all eligibility criteria. So let's wait for a few more seconds until it loads over here, and as you do that, you'll be able to see that you must have at least 10,000 followers, you must be above 18 years of age, and so on. So you must fulfill that criteria and then only you'll be able to get the subscription or set up subscription on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.